as you can see over here, this website is getting anywhere between 1.4 and 1.7 million views every single month. Now, I've been using this product over here, which is a free crystal healing book and healing meditation guide that is completely free with free shipping to give away on this website that is getting this many views. And they then have an upsell to a $15.99 bracelet and then an upsell to an entire $200 meditation program. So we can go and make a total of $256 per sale and $25 every single month passively to your ClickBank account for the rest of your life by just introducing our leads from this traffic website over here to this free crystal healing book and healing meditation guide, which this website will do all the upselling for us. So in a nutshell, we are going to be leveraging all of this traffic over here with this website that is getting millions of views every single month, starting off with a freebie and a free giveaway, and this funnel will naturally do all the upselling for us, leaving our leads wanting more. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your No BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I used to make money online. In today's video, we're specifically going to be talking about making money off this free energy ebook and crystal healing book over here by giving this away, using this as our hook product to get tons of sales on the upsells and downsells in this funnel off this free traffic website over here that I'm going to show you later in this video. This is a super easy way to make money on ClickBank with this specific ClickBank product without having a website, without designing your own funnels, and without even hardly putting any effort into this at all. And the best part is this affiliate program is not only paying you a total or the biggest conversion of $256.64, it is also paying $25 every month in passive income commissions for the rest of your life. Anybody can do this in the world. No matter what country you're in, you can access any of these websites on your mobile phone or your PC, whatever you'd like to do this on. And what I really like about this strategy is because you are basically getting paid to promote free stuff. I mean, who doesn't want free stuff in today's world? So most people that see your ad or your promotion on this particular traffic method here will go and grab this free crystal healing and healing meditation guide completely for free, and then this funnel will do all the selling for you. So you don't really need to put any effort into this, as everything is set up for you. This entire funnel has been tailor-made for you as an affiliate to go and promote this product. And I'm going to show you over 70 different websites that you can go and use for this method to go and get tons of traffic and convert tons of sales every single day. So without further ado, let's get straight into this. And that's going to lead us to the first platform that we need to go to is clickbank.com. Now, for those of you that have not heard of ClickBank, this is an all-in-one affiliate marketing website and database with tons of people that are selling their products, like this meditation guide that I just showed you. You've got people selling fitness programs, e-commerce courses, anything that's really digital and that people are selling will list on this website. You can go and get your affiliate link for those products, promote those products for those people, and they will reward you a commission every time you make a sale for them. So what I really like about this, the affiliate commissions are sometimes up to 80%, which is far more than that of a basic salesman job, which is usually only between 1% and 5%. So the commissions are really great on this website. To go and get started, you can go and click on start here on the top right, where you can fill out all the information. It's just name, address, and email, and you will get your free ClickBank account. I've got an account already, or if you've got an account already, you can just click on login over here, and it will take you straight to your dashboard over here. So once you're on your dashboard, you need to go and click on Marketplace on the top right over here. Just go and search in the search bar energy bracelet, and it will be the first product over here. Revamp for 2022, the Reiki energy bracelet, free shipping, full funnel over here. So if I go and open this landing page in a new tab, this is what your landing page looks like, and this is what your leads are going to land on. So firstly, if they go and scroll down over here, they can go and get their bracelet with free shipping for $15.99, including the Cosmic Energy ebook and meditation guide. Now, once your leads, I just closed it, but now you saw, once your leads are on this page for about 5 seconds, there's a pop-up that comes up where they can go and get the ebook and the free meditation guide completely for free, excluding the bracelet. Now, if they want to go and include the bracelet, they just have to spend an extra $15.99 with free shipping and handling included. And then once they check out with that, it's going to take them to a whole bunch of different upsells and downsells where you can make tons of more commissions over there, up to $256 in commission. So this program is really paying well. They've got tons of products lined up in their funnel for you, which has been tailor-made for you as an affiliate to go and promote. So now that we have our affiliate product over here, we need to go and get our affiliate link. So all you do is you go and click on promote over here. You want to go and click on the new free shipping page over here, click on create hop link, and it will go and generate you your affiliate link over here. So again, if I go and paste this in a new tab and click on enter, you'll see it will take me straight to this landing page, which then is connected to your ClickBank account. So it knows when people go and make a sale or buy something on this website, that commission knows to come to your account over here. So yeah, you'll see this is the exact same landing page, which again, they can claim for $50.99. And if you give it a while, I think it's about 20, 30, or even a minute, that pop-up comes up where they can go and claim their freebies on this website. So there you go. You can see this pop-up just came up over here where they can go and order the light package, which includes the Crystal Healing Book and the Healing Meditation Guide for $0. They don't have to pay for it. They can order it over here. So now that we have our affiliate link, our affiliate product over here, all set up and lined up to make commissions, we need to go and use this traffic strategy over here and leverage all of the people visiting this website to give them these free freebies to hook them into our funnel. So this particular website over here is called, I'll actually go and copy it for you and paste it in the browser so that you can go and see, is classifiedads.com. And I'm also going to show you this website over here that gives you 77 websites that are the same as classified ads, where you can just go and copy and paste and 77 times your traffic from this. So if I come over to classified ads over here, you'll see we've got tons of different categories that we can go and sell or promote something. So since in our case, our entire product is based around healing and meditation and also a bracelet that's included, we can go and list an ad in jewelry over here, or under services, which we could go and put under health and wellness over here. So you can go and post 2 separate ads in either one of these categories, either jewelry or health and wellness over here. So the next step is, now that we've identified our categories, on the top right of this website, there's a big button that says post an ad for free. We're going to go and click on that. And let's go and start off with our service. So we're going to click on services, health and wellness, and our location. And all you want to do is just go, you can come over to, for example, Google and just type US address generator. You don't have to use your own address. You could just use one of these random address generators, as it's just needed to, in order to go and post your ad. And over here, it will also give us a ton of generated ads over here. So for example, we can go and copy the zip code. We can come back to post the ad, go and paste your zip code over here. And we can just select that. And for our ad title, pretty simple. We can come over to this website over here and literally copy and paste everything. So we can go and copy, for example, the title of this Crystal Healing Book, Healing Meditation Guide, just like this. We want to come over to our title and we want to paste this here and then put in brackets, free giveaway and free shipping over here, because this is our hook. We want to give our first product away for free. For the asking price, we can put 0, and then we can come back to the landing page over here. We can go and copy this description over here. We can come and paste this on our free ad. And then all you want to do is just go and paste your affiliate link here. So we want to come back to ClickBank, come and copy your affiliate link again. We just want to come over to a website called bit.ly to shorten our URL and just make it a little bit neater. We can also track the amount of clicks our URL gets with Bitly to see how many people are actually clicking on our ads. Go and paste your affiliate link on this tab over here and just click shorten. There's a big blue shorten button and it will give you a neat and shortened URL. We can then come back to our ad, paste our URL over here, highlight it, click on the link and just make sure that it's a clickable link. And over here, just like this, our ad is complete. And we can also type here, select the light package to get your free Crystal Healing Book and Meditation Guide over here, so that people know how to go and grab their free package. We can go and type our name. You can go and type your email if you want to as well. So for example, my email at gmail.com. Just go and paste this again. For your phone number, we can just go and type any random number. And then for your city or town, you can leave this as is. So we can go and just type this capture code, which is SRL3R. And if you want to go and upload an image, which I really recommend, we can go and do so. So just come back to the homepage over here. Go and open this image in a new tab. So you can go right click, open a new tab. Go and save this to your PC. Just come back to your ad and we can go and upload this over here. So let's just double click it. And now we have an ad on our And now we have an image on our ad as well. So click on post this ad and your ad has now been posted. So this is what your ad looks like. People can respond or they can click directly on the link, which is what most people will go and do. In order to go and find tons of websites to go and duplicate this and copy and paste this to get tons of more traffic, is to go and copy the URL of this website, classifiedads.com. Come over to this free website over here called sitelike.org. Go and paste your URL, classified ads, in the search bar of SiteLike, and it will go and list over 77 websites that are similar to classified ads, where you can also go and post your free ads. So for example, classified ads for free.net, just click on the little arrow here and it will open the site up in a new tab and you can go and post a free ad here. Come over to muhammad.com, just open this up and literally go and copy and paste your ad onto all of these websites over here. You can go and post a free ad here. There's another website called usnetads.com. So we can open this up in a new tab. Now there are over 77. You'll see over here, I can keep scrolling to find tons of websites to go and post this free ad. And why the strategy works so well is because we are not selling anything off the bat. We are giving away freebies, the free meditation guide, and that other ebook as well, completely for free with free shipping, which is what is included in this funnel over here. And when people go and order this, they will then be upsold to more paid products, which is where our commissions fall in. So again, this funnel is doing all of the hard work for you, including a freebie giveaway, which we can use to hook in leads to our main product over here. So like I said, what I recommend is the ad we just posted on freeclassifiedads.com over here. Come over to sitelike.org and go and replicate your ad on all of these websites over here, mainly in the health and wellness niche, or if you want to, you can use the jewelry niche as well, since some kind of bracelet is included with this product. So you can go and advertise that as jewelry as well. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more with more ClickBank strategies like this and to make money on ClickBank. I'm going to leave two playlists on the screen over here. One called ClickBank Money 2022, which contains 200 of my best ClickBank videos that I've posted in the past 2 years that is still working today. And then my Cartro training playlist over here, which will teach you how to build funnels, checkouts, email automation campaigns, entire membership areas done for you, funnels, payment processes included in your funnels, which goes really hand in well with promoting ClickBank products, which can form the ultimate sweet spot for an affiliate marketing business. So what I recommend is go and choose one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you over there.